Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down until we will find Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Let's enter. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 1 hour and 33 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then Clip Studio and then the others. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So basically we can check some activity details just by tapping on this option here or tapping inside the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard where we can check the particular days of the week and the screen time spent in particular days of the week. You can tap on them, compare them, etc. You can also change screen time to notifications received and times opened. Moreover, under it you've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time you've spent on them. And if you wish, you can also tap on the specific app, so for example this one, and again you will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can again compare the time in the days of the week. Moreover, we've got the app timers here. You can enter it by using a separate section, which is right here, app limits, or if you're inside the details, you can simply find the app and then tap on this hourglass icon. So let's maybe Wacom tips. Just tap on this this icon here, and as you can see now we can set an app limit. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app during one day for 30 minutes. After that time, the device will basically gray out this app and you will not be able to enter it. So I can show it to you how it will look like. Let me set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, which obviously means that I really cannot use the app during a day. So just tap on OK, and as you can see, this option has been grayed out. We can go back. And here we have Wacom tips. So after tapping on it, your device will show you this information that we've got the timer and it run out, and it will start again tomorrow. Of course, you can change it just by entering the settings, but that's quite nice option to limit the time we're spending on specific apps. Moreover, after getting back, let me go back. And after scrolling, we've got the options like, for example, bedtime mode or focus mode. Let me tap on it. And here we can select some distracting apps. So, for example, let's pretend that I'm getting a lot of notifications from the camera and from the calendar, let's say. Of course, you can choose other distracting apps, probably social media or something like that. Then let's tap on set a schedule, and you can choose specific days of the week and specific hours. You can simply tap on it and your device will allow you to change the hours, and then tap on set. And basically, if the schedule is set, it means that your device during the set hours and days will limit the notifications or actually hide the notifications from those distracting apps. So you'll have a time and you will not be distracted. You'll be able to focus, for example, on work or studying or spending time with your family or whatever you'd like to use the focus mode for. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.